How's it going today, everybody? And today we're going to give you a quick cold start of the Hellcat. Let's listen. But today's video actually isn't about the Hellcat. Today's video is about the Jeep, the 98 5.9 Grand Cherokee. God darn it, she's dirty and it's beautiful. It is a winter vehicle, definitely made for off-roading. She ain't perfect, but I've had her for 16 years and can't give her up. So, today's video, what we're going to be doing is working on this right here. It's all broken, all the stuff is in there, it's just falling out. So instead we've got this. So there's this little company called Dirt Dogs Off-Road. And here's all their information and whatnot. So they make this little guy. Nice cut steel. You know, it looks good. I like the little blackish, grayish, bluish look done to it. And it's going to go right in here. Then after that, we are going to install this. A turbo LED headlight conversion kit. Actually has a high and low beam setting. 6,000 Ka, you know, bright white, natural light, white. It's white, not yellow. Hopefully, it'll fix some of the lighting issues that I have. So we got that in there. And there's the light. But more on that after. Let's get to this. Alright, now that we've got all this crap out of the way, let's get to the install. So by the looks of things, it goes right here. And we drill the self-tapping screws that they gave us right here into those points. Let's go find out, see which sizes this is. I'm guessing it's a 10, maybe an 8. I could be right, I could be wrong. Let's go find out. It is a 10, but it fits the 3/8 much better. So here we go. And there, you got her in the on position. Got that set up nice and tight to where I want it. There we go. All right, now that we got that part done, that's it. It's in there good. You know, this mod definitely isn't for everyone. You know, it's sort of like a quick fix, so you can always remove all that, replace all this crap, whatever, whatnot. But you know what? It's unique. I like the industrial look. I like the homemade look from it. And let's see how much of this crap it'll hold. Well, it seems as though that wasn't very well planned out. But it was better than what was there, because what was there wasn't holding anything. So, I haven't leaked transmission fluid in years, so let's go with the bare necessities now. Oil. Power steering fluid. Think it's empty. But that's about it. That's all I can fit. That's all that'll work for now. But I don't really need much else. I think these are dried out or whatever. Ooh, that'll help. and we're good to go. So what do we do now? So let's clean up our mess. Now let's move on to the next project. Installing these lights. There we go. There's the heartbeat of the beast. As I said, she's old. She has a tendency to leak, a little bit of oil. That's a mess because that's where you obviously fill the oil from. But oil seems to get out somehow, some way. I've had the rear main seal checked and he said it leaks. He put a little sealer in there, but it was a big job to take out and replace. And for something that isn't crazily ridiculous, just to him it made no point. Well, that's the same mechanic that in the last video you saw, fixed this, but failed to mention when I picked it up, I don't know, he said he never touched the bumper, but as you can see, it's not on, it's disconnected, it's hanging off. And right here, why is that seal behind when you come over to this one? And the seal's on the outside. To me, that's very interesting. But such is life. Time for a new mechanic. Now let's get into installing these lights. So, from what I gather, they're just a straight up plug and play. There's a ballast, there's the connector, there's the light. How hard can it be? Through all this. Nope. Not how that works. So do we go this way? Nope. So how do we keep this on? Doesn't look like it was very well thought out, does it? Be right back. So for the sake of seeing if it worked at all, I just pushed it in, and the seal seems to be doing a decent job holding it in, but I don't feel comfortable that it doesn't hold it in place all that well. So we're just gonna have to try it, see what happens. I'm gonna keep the old light and the bracket on there, with me in case I have to pull over and fix it. But as you can see, that's the new one. That's the old one. New one. Old one. Let's get the other side done and see how it goes. Just in case I'm not going crazy, I want to show you. These little teeth right here get in the way. So why would you produce a product as a direct fit when the item that's supposed to hold it in place doesn't work? That really makes no sense to me. That's it. Looks like it just dangles there. So I don't really like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get a couple of zip ties, and we're going to zip tie this one in place. The other one sort of has a shelf to sit on, but this one does not. It feels like it's in there pretty good. I mean, not that I like it 100%. Not that I really have much of a choice other than just not using it, but let's try it and see how it is. I'll contact the company, see if there's some brighter way of doing this, but I'm not really happy, and if I have to cut this off to use it, what is the point? You know what I mean? It doesn't really serve much of a purpose if it doesn't actually hold. That just seems like a flawed design to me. There we go. So, all right. So now let's turn the lights on and see how the other side came out. Now they have cooling fans evidently to help keep them cool. Now if you look at them, they do look better, for now. But will they stay in? Let's test that, and we'll find out. But I do like the color. I just need to, clean the light casings themselves. If you listen closely, you can actually hear the fans working. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. Again, I know you guys are probably looking forward to seeing the Hellcat, but I didn't want to give you the startup. Want to do like a wide array of things. It was a beautiful day. My son's inside watching TV. I had about 20 minutes or so, and I wanted to knock this out. I knew it wasn't going to take very long, but I did want to share this with you guys because I want to give you more everything. I don't want to do just the Hellcat, just this, just that. I want to just give you guys like an inclusive vlog version of my life. And if this is something that you guys would like to see, some more of me just fuddling around and messing with the cars, please let me know. I would greatly appreciate it. And if there's anything else you think I could do, please let me know. Anything you want to see, post it in the comments. And as always, I want to thank you for watching, and be well and stay safe. And I bet you guys thought I forgot about you. Here are the lights. High beams, low beams. Pretty bright. They look good. They shine nicely. Light up a good area. And just for giggles, let's turn on the light bars. Whoa!